Well, hey guys, welcome to Guys in the Ozarks. So, down here doing a little bit of filming today. My eldest came with me, and she's exploring. She's been doing a little bit of climbing and stuff. So we're gonna fix a little bit of lunch. So we're gonna get this. We brought the little twig stove with us. So we're gonna get that thing going. So what we're making today is we're gonna make some quesadilla type thing. So here a while back I told you guys about this taco meat stuff that we just found. Alright. And so we're gonna use some of that. And we got some tortillas and stuff. And we got this Coghlan's cooker, and we're gonna make try to make some quesadilla sandwiches, I guess. Anyway, guys, we'll holler back at you here in a minute. So I didn't bring a table, but I had a cot in the back of the Durango, so. So I've got some refried beans there, and some cheese. Alright guys, so like I said, we're just doing meat and cheese because I forgot to bring a can opener for the refried beans. So we're just gonna kind of fold this thing over like so. Put it in there. Close this thing up. And looks like we need to stoke our fire a little bit. Alright, so we didn't have to stoke the fire after all. It caught back up. We got there. Man, I'd like for that cheese to melt a little bit more. Problem is, it didn't seal up very good. Alright, let's put this on a plate, see what we got. Well, that's pretty good, honestly. Would you like me to cut so you can have some?
Sure.
I was kind of worried about that taco meat because it seemed kind of runny. Sorry guys, I know you can't see me, but that might be a good thing. I'm over here feeding my face. Now, my eldest reminded me that we had multi-tools, you know. We can open a can without a can opener.
Or at least it's not a...
So she took care of that while I was cooking that. Alright guys, so we're gonna get these beans heated up, maybe do a couple more of these. So we'll holler back at you. Alright guys, so we're gonna sit down here and eat. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. We had fun making it. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Remember, go fall in love with your real wilderness like me and Kyle fell in love with the Ozarks. And I guess Aspen too. Anyway, we'll catch y'all next time. Bye.